brick white world. She grew up within her castle walls. Now and then she tried to run, and then on a night with the setting sun, she went in the woods away, so afraid, all alone. I've been looking through my memories, I've been trying to see your face, but you're moving like a mystery, and you look the other way. If you found me in the pouring rain, would you let me in? Would you look into your memories? Tell me where you've been. When the sun is going down, I feel you coming closer, counting in the dark, I feel at home. I feel you touching the light aurora. I see the sun in your eyes, but I need the light aurora. My father born and then you're gone. Run to all you want to, and bring the light and touch the light aurora. She was hypnotized by walking on coffin ice. Then it broke and she awoke again. Let's hear it faster and start breathing. Is it going out with it? Please help me. Just let me in. Ooh. When the sun is going down, I feel you coming closer, counting in the dark, I feel at home. I feel you touching the light aurora. I see the sun in your eyes, but I need the light aurora. My father born and then you're gone. Run to all you want to, and bring the light and touch the light aurora. Everything you want and go, I'll be the magic story. I've been telling you'll be safe under my control. Just let me in, ooh. Follow everywhere I go. Tell my brother around in a valley go. You do everything you've been dreaming of. Just let me in, ooh. I could run, I could cry, I could plead. I could say it's never gonna get any better than leave. I could throw my hands up, I could fall to my knees. I could tell myself I'm strong enough to give all the love that I need, but I still need you.